Hello dear students, welcome to the Royal Palace PU College online classes. So here in last class we have discussed about the preparation of aldehyde and ketones. So here at the end of the video, so we are going to prepare what here aldehyde by the reduction of what here nitriles. So nitriles are also called what here cyanohydrocarbons. Okay, so when cyanohydrocarbons that will undergo reduction in presence of stannous chloride in HCl, so that on hydrolysis, which on hydrolysis that gives what here aldehyde. So already I have written the general reaction. So here I will take what here one example, reduction of nitriles or cyanohydrocarbons. This reaction is called what here a Stephan reaction. So now I will take directly the example ethane nitrile. So ethane nitrile, the formula CH3C triple bond N. So this is an ethane nitrile. So this is an example for this Stephan reaction. That means a reduction of nitrile compound. Reduction of nitrile compound or cyanohydrocarbons. So in presence of a stannous chloride in HCl. So this is an ethane nitrile, so which undergo reduction, so in presence of that is stannous chloride SnCl2 in HCl. So that gives what here an intermediate product. So here addition of hydrogen can be takes place across a triple bond. So one hydrogen adds to this carbon side, another one hydrogen adds to this nitrogen side. So here that will become CH3 CH double bond NH. Now the reduction triple bond that is reduced to what here double bond by the addition of hydrogen. So this is an reduction. So the reduction takes place in presence of stannous chloride SnCl2 in HCl. Stannous chloride in HCl. So this will undergo hydrolysis. So I will write here CH3 CH double bond NH. So this is an intermediate product which undergo hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means what here breaking of bond by the addition of water. Now the oxygen part which adds to this side and the H2 part that will adds to what here nitrogen part. So this side. So that will become what here CH3 CHO. CH3CHO, this one part, CH3CHO. So after addition of water. So here there is a formation of aldehyde. The name of the product is what here ethanol. Ethanol, because we have an aldehyde group, and also due to presence of two carbon atoms we are going to use a word root eth. Hence the name of the product is what here ethanol, and remaining thing is here we have NH and this two hydrogen atoms. So that will become what here. So here liberation of what here NH3 ammonia. Now this is an example for the what here a reduction of nitriles cyanohydrocarbons that use what here aldehyde in presence of stannous chloride in HCl. So this reaction is called what here Stephan reaction. Okay. So now here the next one method. So preparation of aldehyde from esters. So from esters, preparation of aldehyde from the esters. So let us, I will take one example. So ethyl undeconate. Okay. So undeconate, ethyl undeconate, CH2 9 times and then what here COO C2H5. So this is an ester. Okay. The name of the ester is what here ethyl. So this one group ethyl group C2H5 undeconate. Decanoate. Okay, decanoate. So because we have total here 9 carbon atom and here this one 10 11. So 11 means the name is what here undec word root. Okay, AT. So this suffix is due to presence of what here ester, and this group is what here ethyl. Hence the name of this compound is what here ethyl undeconate. Okay, so which on undergo reduction, addition of hydrogen, that is called what here reduction, addition of oxygen is called what here oxidation. Now here, so this will undergo reduction and there is a formation of what here ethyl alcohol or ethanol and one more product, that is aldehyde product. The name of the product is what here undecanol. Now this will undergo reduction, there is a formation of what here, so undecanol CH3 CH2 9 times as it is, then what here COH. So this part CH3CH 9 times COH, and here one more hydrogen is there, C2H5OH. So here addition of 2 hydrogen across this compound that will be takes place. Now one hydrogen adds to this side, this part. So the compound becomes what here, CH3CH2 9 times COH, and another one part hydrogen this side. Okay, so another one part is what here, OC2H5, this one hydrogen adds to this part. So that will becomes what here, C2 plus C2H5OH. So the name of the product is what here, undecanal, undecanal, undecanal. So 11 carbon atoms are there, Al, which is an suffix used for the aldehyde purpose. Now this is an ethyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol. Okay, so this is another one method, so which is used to prepare what here, aldehyde from the esters. Okay, so now next one, preparation of aldehyde from hydrocarbons, from hydrocarbons. Third one come from hydrocarbons. So this is from what here, ester, and this is from the nitriles. So here the from hydrocarbon, so they are going to prepare what here, aldehyde. Okay, so especially by the oxidation of methyl group, by the oxidation of methyl benzene. Now here the methyl benzene means toluene, so which undergo oxidation by using what here, chromyl chloride, that is CrO2Cl2. So that is called what here, chromyl chloride. So I will write here, chromyl chloride. So which on acid hydrolysis, that use what here, benzaldehyde. So this is the method of the preparation of the aldehyde from hydrocarbons. Now I will write here this reaction. Okay, by using chromyl chloride, chloride. So here preparation of aldehyde from just I have written hydrocarbons, from hydrocarbons by using chromyl chloride. Here what happened, reduction of, that is oxidation of what here, methyl benzene. So that toluene undergo oxidation. So by using what here, chromyl chloride, the chromyl chloride formula is CrO2Cl2, CrO2Cl2. Now I will write the reaction. So toluene, okay, or methyl benzene. So this one methyl benzene or toluene. So which is react with what here, chromyl chloride. So CrO2Cl2. So 2 moles of CrO2Cl2, chromyl chloride. So here the chromium complex is formed. Now when the toluene react with chromyl chloride, chromium complex, the chromium complex is like this. Now here the CrO2Cl2 adds here. So the thing is, so I will rub this one, CH as it is, then here oxygen, CrOH. Here replacement of 2 hydrogen can be takes place and substitution of what here, 2 CrO2Cl2 group, 2 CrO2Cl2. So that will get substituted here and replacement of 2 hydrogen atoms. So that hydrogen, this will combine this side. So that will become what here, CrOH. Now here we have 2 Cl group. Again here same thing, because here substitution of what here, 2 CrO2Cl2 groups. Now here one CrO2Cl2 group is this one, another one group this one. So same as that of Cl and Cl. Okay. So this is an chromium complex. So which will undergo hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis. So acid hydrolysis I will write here. So that is H2O plus and H plus, acid hydrolysis, and removal of which group means here this one group totally. I will write here the group 2CrOH2Cl2. Okay. So here removal of this group Cr2, that means 2Cr, then OH, okay, and then Cl2, totally removal of this group. Now the product formed which will undergo what here, hydrolysis. So after this we will get what here, directly a benzaldehyde. So this is a reaction which is used to prepare what here, benzaldehyde from the methyl benzene. Okay. So when the methyl benzene or toluene react with chromyl chloride, so that gives an chromium complex which undergo acid hydrolysis, that gives what here? Benzaldehyde. Okay, that gives benzaldehyde. So this is a method which is used to prepare what here? A benzaldehyde. Okay. So next one reaction by using what here? Chromic oxide. Here we are going to use what here? Chromyl chloride. So next one method by using chromic oxide. Okay. So in first method by using what here? Chromyl chloride. In second method by using what here? Chromic oxide. That is CrO3. Okay. When toluene, so that will undergo oxidation, there is a formation of what here? Benzylidene diacetate. Okay. So in the presence of acid anhydride at temperature 273 to 283 Kelvin, so there is a formation of benzylidene diacetate which undergo acid hydrolysis, that gives what here? Benzaldehyde. Okay. Now I will write here the reaction by using chromic oxide. So here when toluene react with acetic anhydride, so I will write here anhydride, C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3. So oxidation of this, okay, CH3 as it is. Toluene react with acetic anhydride, so undergo oxidation, that means addition of oxygen. Okay. So here the toluene react with acetic anhydride, so that will undergo oxidation. There is a formation of benzylidene diacetate. The structure of benzylidene diacetate is, so I will write here CHO, C double bond O, CH3, O, C double bond O, CH3. Okay. So this one benzylidene diacetate. Okay. So toluene react with acetic anhydride, so that will undergo oxidation, so that gives what here? A benzylidene diacetate. So the temperature range is 273 Kelvin to 283 Kelvin. So which undergo acid hydrolysis. Okay, same reaction. So which will undergo acid hydrolysis, that gives what here? Benzaldehyde. Okay. CHO, okay, benzaldehyde, plus here 2 CH3 COH. Okay. So this is the method for the preparation of what here? Benzaldehyde by the oxidation of what here? Toluene by using what here? Chromic oxide. So next one method by the side chain chlorination. Followed by the hydrolysis, we will get what here? Again what here? ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ benzaldehyde ಅಂತೇಳಿ. So now side chain chlorination. Okay. So I will write here reaction side chain chlorination. Okay. So now here side chain of this toluene which undergo what here? Chlorination, that use what here? Benzyl chloride. So benzyl chloride, so that will undergo acid hydrolysis. So and that around temperature 373 Kelvin temperature, that gives what here? Benzaldehyde. So this is the by side chain chlorination of what here? Methyl benzene or toluene followed by the hydrolysis. So now I will write the reaction for this. Okay. So next one, the reaction I have written here by the side chain chlorination of what here? Methyl benzene. So just here chlorination of this toluene, so followed by the hydrolysis, we will get what here? Benzaldehyde. So just here chlorination they did. So here chlorination, introduction of what here? Cl, and replacement of what here? 2 hydrogen, substitution of 2 chlorine atom, hence the compound becomes what here? CHCl, Cl. Okay. Replacement of 2 hydrogen atoms and substitution of what here? 2 chlorine atoms. So after this, again it will undergo what here? Hydrolysis. So that is what here? Removal of what here? 2HCl and substitution of what here? 2H. After addition of 2H2O, removal of 2HCl can be takes place and introduction of what here? 2OH group. So this will undergo what here? Again here loss of water molecule. So this one H2O. So the remaining thing is what here? CHO. That is benzaldehyde. Benzene CHO. Benzaldehyde. So this is the method which is used to prepare what here? Benzaldehyde by the side chain chlorination followed by the hydrolysis. Okay. So the next one reaction by Gutterman-Koch reaction. So this is very important named reaction. The Gutterman-Koch reaction, when the benzene react with what here? Carbon monoxide in HCl, hydrochloric acid, in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, so that gives what here? Benzaldehyde. So this is a Gutterman-Koch reaction which is used to prepare, so this one benzaldehyde, which is used to prepare what here? Benzaldehyde. So that is benzene react with carbon monoxide in presence of HCl, hydrochloric acid, and anhydrous AlCl3, that gives what here? Benzaldehyde reaction. This is a method used to prepare what here? Aldehyde, and this is a very important named reaction, Gutterman-Koch reaction. Okay, so with this I will stop here. So next class we will continue some more methods of preparation of what here? Aldehyde and ketones. Thank you.